Hey, hi everyone. In previous video, I have explained about the how to create the EC2 instance and how to access that EC2 instance from our local machines. So now, so in that local machines, so we have some files in the local machines called CSV files or JSON files, the different types of data. So we want to transfer the files from our local machine to remote, which is called the Linux. So here to transfer the files from local to remote, we have a few methods how to transfer that. So coming to Windows users who is using the Windows users, so they have to install a software called WinSCP. So they have to install a WinSCP to transfer the files from local to remote. So just go to Google and type WinSCP download and just click on official websites here first link. Then after that you will display like this. So at that time go to here and download WinSCP. So after that it will start downloading that software. So after downloading that software, see here you can see down after downloading, just click on it will open like this. So just click on the recommended option called install for all users. So after that it will get like this. So download has been successfully completed. To installation, just click on next. No, don't change anything, just click on next and go continue. So after the installation has been completed successfully, just click on your search button and search WinSCP. So when you click on WinSCP, it will display like this. So in host name, we have to give a path. Path is nothing but this path. Okay, this path you have to copy and you have to paste here. So after pasting here, it will ask for username. Just give username as your wish. So I'm given Ubuntu as my username. So for password, just click on advanced and SSH and authentication. So here you can browse the key pair. Key pair you I already told you, right? When you are creating the EC2 instance, at that time you have to create a key pair. So what you have created that key pair, that key pair have to input here. So at that time I will show. See, when you are browsing your keeper, here you have two keepers because I have created three, four instances, but at that time I have created two keepers. So you will get confused now. So which keeper I used for this instance? So that's why my recommendation is just create only one keeper. So by that there will be no confusion at all. So after that, it will connecting to the host. Click on yes and see the error is what? No supported authentication methods available. So what it is saying is, what are the key pair you given? It is unmatched. It is a wrong key pair we have given. So that's why just go to that again key pairs folder and select another key. So just click on open. Okay. Now just click on login. So this is successfully worked out because we have given the correct key pair. So after that you will get like this. So this is what left side is your local machine and right side is your remote machine, which is called Linux. So we have to transfer the files from our local to remote. So to transfer the files from our local to remote, there is a process called just drag and drop. Just click on the files what you want to transfer the files. Just drag that and drop here. So by that we can get the we can transfer the files from local to remote. See the files has been transferred. Just click on here, just drag and drop. So by that we can transfer the files from local to remote in Windows laptop only. So who are using the Mac laptop, I'm going to guide you. So follow Windows laptop also. So just click type ls means we are displaying what are the files in it. So it is empty, there is no files in the our remote server, there has no files. But coming to our local, there are so many files in it. So at that time, what I'm doing is to transfer the files from our local machine to remote machine, from here to here. So for that, what I'm doing is, let me do one thing. Okay. See, now this is your local machine. There are so many files. So I want to get these files from local to remote. So for that, just go to here and copy that SSH and paste that SSH in your local. Just go to SSH. Just change that SSH to SCP. SCP. SCP is nothing but securable copy. Securable copy is nothing but SSCP. So we are copying a file by using SCP hyphen I and that key pair. After that, we are giving a path downloads slash. So I want to transfer some CSV files, which is files in downloads folder. So in downloads folder, all CSV files. So what it meaning star.csv means we are giving that all CSV files in downloads just transfer to this location. I'm giving a path also here in EC2, just colon. So just type here pwd. So in home Ubuntu, I want to transfer CSV files to here. Just type ls. There was no comments in it, right? So now home slash Ubuntu. I'm going to transfer. I'm saying here, right? What is it code meanings? Just copy CSV files which is in downloads folder to this location, EC2 home Ubuntu. Just click enter. This transferring. So let's type ls here. See, the bankful.csv and new user credentials.csv. These two CSV files are copied from your local to remote server. Understood? There is only two CSV files available in my downloads folder. That's why only two files has been transferred to here. If you have hundreds of CSV files, then that hundreds of CSV files will transfer to here. Just because I given the here star means complete every CSV file. Just copy that CSV file to this location. So the files has been now transferred from your local to remote. Clear? So I come how to transfer the files in Windows and Mac. It's already completed. No, now to install the softwares in Ubuntu. Let's maximize this. Now to install the softwares in Ubuntu, let's type Java. So it is saying that Java not found, but can be installed with by typing these commands. So to install Java 11, it is recommending that just type sudo apt install this one to install Java 11. So I need to install Java 11. Just I copied and pasted here. Just type Y. It means yes. So it is installing the Java 11 version in our EC2 instance called Ubuntu. So this is the way to install the softwares in Linux. Let me do one thing. Is it installed or not? Java version. See now, before we got a command error, but Now we can see while typing the Java version, here we can see we are installed the Java version 11. So now we want to install a Scala. So how to just type a Scala? What it is saying, Scala is not full, but it can be installed with, just copy this and paste that. So now it is installing Scala in your remote server in Ubuntu. Just type enter. So now when you type Scala version, not phone, Scala. See, now the Scala has been installed in your EC2 instance called Ubuntu. So this is the way to install softwares in Linux server. Okay. Now let's get out of it. And now I'm if someone who is getting the errors, unable to for someone you can't able to install those softwares. So if anyone get that error, just type sudo apt update. Sudo apt update. Just type that sudo apt update. Then you will you after typing this, you will able to install that softwares. So see, now in Ubuntu, which is called a remote server, I have installed Java and Scala in it. So for suppose we have 10 computers. We have created 10 EC2 instance. 10 EC2 instances we have created. But when we are creating an EC2 instances, EC2 instance is nothing but we are creating a plain computer. There will be no softwares in it. So how to get all? See, in this Ubuntu, in this Linux server, we have installed Java and Scala. But when we installing the another more three instances, so how to get the softwares Java and Scala in the while creating EC2 instance? So how to get a default Java and Scala in it? So I'm going to guide you that now. Just go to instances, click this action, image and templates. Just create image. Now, so I'm giving a image name as Java Scala. Description, I want to give description. It is an optional thing, but for your understanding purpose, I'm giving that Java and Scala has installed in Ubuntu. So is it right? Here in Ubuntu, we have installed Java and Scala. So that's why I'm saying we have installed Java and Scala in Ubuntu. So after that, just click on create image. Failure to create instance one because it already has an oh, it is saying that the Java Scala which is named, it has already an image. So let me delete that. Go to AMIs, click on it and click on deregister AMI. So it is successfully deregistered. Now go and create an image. Java Scala, Java and Scala installed in Ubuntu. Now let's click on create image. Now it will be create now. See now the image has been created successfully. So when we are creating the EC2 instances now, let's go here and launch instances. Just give these instances names as slaves. So in previous time we have created an Ubuntu server, right? By that we have selected this Ubuntu and we have gone through like this. But now just click on my AMIs. AMIs is nothing but Amazon machine image. What it is? AMI is nothing but Amazon machine image. So now just click on, we are creating the instances now by using this AMI. By using this AMI, so we will get automatically whatever the softwares, whatever the files we have in the Ubuntu instance in here, Ubuntu instance. Oh, it has been connection lost. So whatever the files in it, so automatically by default that all files and all software will be installed in these instances called slaves. So now I'm selected Java Scala image, T2 micro, select the key pair, Venu Sriram. So let it be same. And now just select three instances here because we are going to launch three computers. So what it is saying, AMI is pending and cannot be run. Okay, let's wait for some time. So let's wait for some time. It is going to create. So let me launch this Ubuntu in local system because the connection has been lost. Just go here and give that path. Okay, we have files. We have Java version and we have Scala also in it. Okay, now we are in Ubuntu, right? Now what we want to do is just go to AMIs. Now we can see here image has been created successfully. Just click on that image and so we can create in two ways instances by going instances and click on launch instances, or when you are using the image for the creation of your EC2, so just click on that image and launch instance from AMI. AMI is nothing but Amazon machine image. So by using this image, we are going to launch some instances called slaves. So now just click my AMI and click select your image and select your key pair and select we are going to launch three instances. Okay, same problem we are getting. Okay, 1 minute. Let me try two instances. Okay, it is already selected. Slaves, key pair. Okay, let's wait for more to minutes. Oh, see now success. Let's go to instances and let me run. Yeah, it will take 1 minute to instances state as running. See, now the slave machine has been EC2 has been created, which has given the name as slaves, and one more has to create because we have see now the two slave machines has been created successfully and it is running now. So let's go to this slaves, go to this connect. So here we can see one different in it. We have created these slave machines by using the image of Ubuntu. By using this Ubuntu image, we have created these two slave machines. So one change I would like to tell you that in Ubuntu machine, when we go to connect, we can see here Ubuntu at the rate our this server name Ubuntu at the rate EC2 and all these things, right? So we have created the EC2 instance by using this image. So at that time, what is the change which happen here is, see here it is showing the root at the rate EC2. So at that time, just copy that and paste in your local machine. So this root have to change it as Ubuntu. So by that only we can connect. So let me run as root only. You will get one idea. See, it is saying that please log in as the user Ubuntu rather than the user root. Here you can see clearly. So by that we are changing the root as root to Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Let's click enter. See now 227, 172, 227. See, this is your original machine, which is called 172.47. 172.47 is nothing but it's an Ubuntu one. See, 172.47 is your original one, which is called, sorry, go to Ubuntu. Now you can see 172.47. 172.47 is your original one. In this, we have files. We have copied by using SCP and all the things. So in this, we have Java version and Scala in it. Sorry. So now we have connected this EC2 instance to our local machine also. So what is the private address? It is 172.227. This is what another instance we have launched. So we have created an EC2, right? So while creating an EC2, it will be a plain. We have created a plain computer, but at this time we have created the EC2 instance by using the image of Ubuntu. So by that, let me run ls. See, actually we have not copied any files into this instance. It's defaultly available these files because we have created this EC2 using the image of an Ubuntu server, which is an original one. So is it Java available in this? Let me check. Yes. Let me run Scala. Yes. Both are available in it. So this is the way to create instances by using image. So by that we can create a number of instances by using this. See, one thing I would like to tell you, you have 20 laptops. You have 20 laptops in your office. So when you are joined in some organization, so the manager will create manager have 20 he has 20 employees. So to that 20 employees, so installing all the softwares in 20 employees instead of creating it all softwares into 20 laptops, he will create all softwares called Java, Scala, Hadoop, Hive, all these softwares in only one laptop. And what he will do, he will create an image by using this laptop, first laptop. So by that image he will create 19 servers he will create. So by defaultly in 19 laptops, all the softwares which has been installed in the first laptop and the files all will be default available in 19 laptops only. So this is the use of an image. Okay, AMI is nothing but Amazon Machine Image. And one more thing, I'm going to tell that if we terminate the original instance, see, this is our original instance, right? So by using this original instance only, we have created an image. So with that image, we have created two servers called slaves. So one question everyone asks is that when we create this original one, is it any problem to other machines? Let me try. Click on it, instance state terminate. I'm deleting the original instance. Successfully terminated. Now the instance has been successfully terminated. Okay. See, the connection has been also lost. Let me see. This has been connection. It is connected. Let me run ls Java version. See, by deleting the original one also, we have all the data in it. So the question has been cleared, right? By deleting the original instance also, there will be no issue to the duplicate ones also. So here, the manager has in your organization, someone created the one installed all the softwares in one laptop and created image, and by using that image, he has launched 19 instances. So the first one, who is called a one employee, when he delete that instance or when he delete that softwares, and there will be no issues for the remaining employees or in your office. So this is an example by the how can we use that image by launching all the things, right? So this is the way to use the image as our to I mean the creating the instances like that. So if you have any questions, yeah, please put in the comment section. I will try my level best to answer. Thank you.